Hey there, this is Dave Gardner. I'm super excited to be getting into the next video with you right now. In this video, we're going to learn how to easily share your video on social media. And so all you need to do is click the video of choice that you want to actually get out and send out to social media, whether it's Facebook or Twitter right now. There may be other social medias coming in the near future. If you have some requests, and if we start to hear the same amount of people, or a large number of people requesting the same social media, there's a potential that could be added. But these are the big ones that have been around the longest. And so when you actually click your video of choice, you'll notice inside there's two little icons. We have one for Facebook and one for Twitter. And so this is actually going off the screen. But if you notice in the bottom left, we actually see part of the website link that would be for my actual website, or for the actual video, I should say. But what you're not seeing off the screen and off my video capturing area is that it actually is leading with the twitter.com website address, and this one's leading with facebook.com. So if I actually click facebook.com, notice it opens up a new window. I'm going to open this and pull this over, and notice a new tab just popped up. So I'm logged in, so you see my name, and I can choose where I want to share it. So do I want to share it to my newsfeed or my story? Do I put it on a friend's timeline? Do I want to put it in a group, share it on a page? And I can do it in different places, but notice it automatically populates it. I don't have to log in and then type or copy the web address. It automatically does it. And again, there's my thumbnail. Here's my title, how to do a screen capture, if you're looking to record, so it will give some of the details. So depending on how much of your details you have there, it's only going to show so many characters, and that's usually a restriction based on what Facebook has. And then if I want to add it to my story, I can tag people in it. Basically, it gets me into Facebook. Now, I'm not going to do this because I don't need this on my page right now, but all you would do when you were done is just click the post to Facebook button, and you are good to go. Okay, the alternate would be to take the link in the last video on how to actually find links to share your video. I showed you how to get the link, and you would have to get your link. So I'm going to leave this out. You'd have to go back and get the link under embed, get your video URL. Then you'd have to copy that, and then you'd have to go into Facebook. Then you'd have to paste it, and then it would populate hopefully that image. So for example, if we went over to Facebook, I'm just going to copy this link. So this again is an alternate method. If I go onto my thing to create a post, I have to actually paste. I'm going to do Control V and paste it. So as soon as I paste it, now we see it here. And again, so here I have my video. And again, now I can choose what I want to do with it. Do I want it public? Who do I want to see it? Friends. Maybe I want to block certain people from seeing it. Then I have the ability to tag. Notice what's not showing up right now is I'm not seeing the option to post it in a group or post it on a friend's page. It's really only going to my page. So there is a little difference when you put your own link versus using the Facebook button. Same thing holds true for Twitter. If I click on the Twitter, it's going to open up a new tab. It's going to ask me, notice I'm going to have to log in. I'm not going to go through the process of logging in right now in Twitter, but that's the concept. If you have a Twitter account, you would just log into your Twitter account, and then you could actually just click on the button. It will automatically post the link, and then if you add a couple more things of text, you should be good to go. So again, that has been how you can actually take your link and very rapidly or very quickly post it right on a social media site like Facebook or Twitter. Again, this has been Dave Gardner. Thank you for watching along with this training video. Hopefully you found some immense value. If you have any questions or comments, you can always join us and hit us up in the Facebook group or support tab up top. We really want to hear about your successes with these tools and how you're actually implementing them into your niche, because we want to help the family out. So as I always say, you get out of it what you put into it. And the big question that I always have for you is, with all these awesome tools that you have, what will you create to make your legacy? And what will you create to help others so that you can make a difference in the world today?